What's happening, everybody? Tabur TheCarGuy here. Today we are at Jtech Mods, where we're going to be getting an inside POV of an Audi S5. But to tell you, we've got a two-part video coming up. The first part is this car without the race file on it, and then the second video is going to be with the race file on it. So we're just going to experience how it is when the car performs without it, and also when it has it, which will be shot at a later stage. So it's a bit too windy here, but here is the car. It is the Audi S5 that currently, without the race file, is pushing around 350 kilowatts and about 600 newton meters of torque. Obviously it's quattro and it looks amazing in this red color. Look at those rims as well, and yeah, this looks amazing. So we're gonna open up the bonnet and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So obviously, ladies and gentlemen, this is the engine bay. That Audi RS4 just switched on, and we might also just go with it. So ladies and gentlemen, check this Audi S5 out. Obviously this car is pushing currently without the race file. It's pushing roughly around 350 kilowatts and 600 newton meters of torque. When it has the race file on, it would push close to a 400 or above 400 kilowatts and 700 newton meters of torque. So yeah, check this engine bay out. Look at how nice the finishing touches there. We've got this purple there, we've got this beautiful white and silver there, some purple more. We've got this beautiful intake looking nice as well. So ladies and gentlemen, we're in the car, and the first thing I noticed the moment we got into the car, let me just turn my camera down, is this carbon fibered parts in the car, as well as on the side door over there. Check that out, looking very nice. And then we've got obviously this red and black leather seats complementing each other with that Audi S5 logo just on the seat there.
Put your bag in the boot, it's fine.
Oh yeah, not so. Yeah.
And of course the beauty of a supercharger is there's no turbo lag.
Yeah.
The minute you put your foot down, it goes.
Yo.
We're in first gear, 2000 RPM.
Yo. 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 Yes, that pull is not normal. That pull, and then it's the fact that you said like it's there's obviously no turbo lag and stuff like that. It's just full send, like yo, I don't even.
Let me get a view of the left counter.
Yeah, let's do that.
I mean, okay, let's go even lower. We go down to, we're at 1000 RPM now. 1000 RPM, almost idling.
Nah, I think it's time I make my Polo a full supercharging. Like yo, I mean mine is it's turbocharged, but still like there's still a lag in it because of that. But like just having no lag, you don't even have to launch. You just brake boost and you fly.
Yeah, it's insane. Yeah.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, like I don't know, like you can hear it in my voice. I'm just yo. This thing. Woo. This thing is power. This is power, yeah. This is crazy amount of power.
Do you want to stop at that spot there?
Yeah. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, obviously that was the Audi S5 that we were in, and now we're going to be moving on to the Audi RS4. So this car is pushing 450 kilowatts and 800 newton meters of torque, so I'm quite excited to see how that car performs. From my reaction in this car, I don't know how I'm going to react to the Audi RS4, but you know what, let's find out. So ladies and gentlemen, here is the Audi RS4 that just got a nice wash by Jtech Mods. We're gonna go with it and also have an inside POV. This car is pushing more than the S5, so if I reacted the way I reacted with the S5, I don't know how I'm gonna react with this RS4. Like I said, pushing 450 kilowatts with 800 newton meters of torque, sending all power to the four wheels. Yeah, let's actually experience it. And if I do scream to a point where the mic gets blocked, please forgive me, because I mean, to be honest, 450 kilowatts, four wheels, that would be crazy. But yeah, yeah. But still, this power that it's pulling, yes, it's like constant. Every time it shifts, it's just constant pick up in pace and everything.
Which one feels faster for you?
Yeah.
Which one feels faster?
Obviously the S5, because of this no lag with when it accelerates. This one, I think you'd have more fun. Yeah.
You can open the belt for the back one.
Okay. This one you can have a bit more fun because of, you know, there's those bubbles that you hear at the end, and like the farting, the exhaust and stuff like that. But in terms of like reaction time and speed and everything, the S5 definitely it has that reaction. When you pushing, it pushes. This, when it like once it gets into that move of like I'm moving now, like it's just gear changes now, you know, you can feel it that it's going. And then coming stock standard, like from the factory and stuff.
You can hear the RS5 is even louder than this.
Is it? Yeah. So obviously we're gonna have like a part 2 of Jtech Mods, who will be establishing his YouTube channel, showing you guys there's a lot more where this comes from, guys, I'm telling you. So Jtech Mods is going to be obviously establishing the YouTube channel, and you guys will get some shots as to what they do at the company and everything. So we appreciate Jtech Mods. Check them out on Instagram. I will leave their page on my description. So yeah, but this RS4 is just, yeah, now guys, yeah. Just now we've got these cars that are getting that way. Yeah, sus. Power delivery, like it's just mad. I mean, you saw how the S5 performed in terms of supercharger not having any lags. Obviously turbo cars have this like lag, but still once they get moving, they move like 100% move. Braking is just proper. Don't lie, it's proper. And stop, so you know, like, hey, when you need to stop, you'll stop. And obviously this car's twin turbo RS4. It's just a mad thing. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll be back at the Jtech Mods, which is in Brackenfell, right?
Yep.
Brackenfell. You can just type it up on your maps, head over to them if you've got any car related issues, whether it's them having to service the car, minor or major. And obviously if you want to tune your car, like they have the fastest RS5 on bags, hitting a 10.1 on a quarter mile. There's the thing that you guys would be seeing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I will check you on the next one.